ring 3 and ring 4 microphone, ring 4 and ring 2 earphone right side, earphone left side. Thanks for watching. We repaired this earphone, this headset. If this video is good for you, like, subscribe and share if you want. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Haseeb Electronics. Friends, in this video, my friend purchased a hand-free. This is very good quality. It's expensive as well. And he tried to connect to his phone. The phone is not detecting. Set multimeter to on. He need to use on Huawei mobile. So Huawei has the ground pin here. Here we have to take a resistance. This is microphone. The fourth ring and the third ring, that is microphone. Then fourth and the second. Fourth and the one. It is not giving continuity. Left speaker, right speaker, microphone, ground. This pin is ground line. So we have to connect. This inner pin is connected here inside. Left speaker is to the innermost pin. Second ring, that is speaker, second pin. Outer side. First ring here. Second ring for the microphone at number 3. The number 4 ring at ground here. So here we have different colors: green, blue, red and golden. Green and blue, most of the time they are used as a speaker. The golden wire, that is used as a return line, and red wire is used as a microphone. This is 31 ohm. Now remove green, connect to blue. This is speaker. One speaker, the second speaker. Connect to the red one, it's mic. So this one is mic. This one is golden wire, that is ground. So now we have to make adjustment like this. The first pin we have to connect golden at number 4. Hold it here. So our first wire, ground wire, is connected. Then we have to connect the red wire. When you connect, the length must be equal. So we have to make tinning for the red wires, and then we will cut it. Now see it very carefully. We need adjustment here. So we have to cut the excessive length, connect it to the second ring. From now the second ring will appear here, green or blue here. So we have to make tinning. Now connect it carefully, and when you connect, never make short circuit between two pins here. Our 4 wires are connected here. No wire is long, no wire is short. If we want to check it, we will connect it to ohm ground wire at number 4. Here I got 1.29, the microphone resistance 31 ohm, 31 ohm, and now I will monitor the microphone. You can see hello. You can see the resistance. You can see 1.287. So microphone is working, and if I check number 3, one earphone will work, second earphone will work, and now we will pack it. Let it dry. Thanks for watching. If this video is good for you, like, subscribe and share. And if you want to watch my future videos, press bell icon button. So here is mic, pin number 4, and ring number 3, ring 3 and ring 4 microphone, ring 4 and ring 2 earphone right side, earphone left side. Thanks for watching. We repaired this earphone, this headset. If this video is good for you, like, subscribe and share if you want. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.